Good morning. How you doing today?
All right. How can I help you?
I was hoping that I could reach the office manager, if that's possible.
Yeah, speaking. My name is.
It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Chris. I'm with a company called. We're settled out of Portland, and we've been helping with backups and augmentation for securing data, networks, and computers. I'm just calling to inquire about, and I ask, have you guys worked with a security and IT company to create a disaster recovery plan for businesses' specific needs?
I mean, not entirely. We do have sort of an IT support team here and sort of some data backup processes and whatnot, but
Yeah,
I'm sure
gotcha.
there's for improvement.
Yeah, of course, absolutely. And that's why I'm here today. I'm just here to kind of give off some information about what we do, if that's okay with you. Kind of, tell you a little bit about us, what makes us unique in that sense.
Sure. Yeah. Well, I have a 10:30 meeting here, and I've just got to get a few things ready for it. But I would love actually to. I'm definitely interested.
Yeah.
I don't know if you'd be able to send some information to mull over by email. I'd definitely be
Yes.
interested in doing it.
I definitely would, and I would also like one of our reps, JD. He's going to be able to give you a call. I just got to provide you with literally a couple minutes worth of information while I'm, setting up your email and everything. So if you could just grab that for me.
Okay.
All right. All right. And what's your email?
The best one's probably operations, spelled as it sounds, @.org.
Okay. .org. Okay. All right. I'm just going to verify that very quickly with our systems here. Really quick. I want to let you know that we are, over 4,000 users in the Pacific Northwest. We have 26 technicians available. They answer calls within seconds. And we have done IT for the Boys and Girls Clubs, Habitat for Humanity, stuff like that. So I have your thing here. That's perfect. You figure JD can give you a call the same time next week. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm just going to put you in here really quick. I know you are in Pacific Standard. So I'm going to have that for your time. That's about 10:15. And I have, what was your last name?
It's
Yes?
correct.
Okay. All right. So 10:15 a.m. That's the 20th. So that's the same time next week. I just sent you a email there. And just a quick 2 questions, and then I'll get you going. A couple. Are you currently managing IT through a vendor?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. And is there anything that's provided that you think there should be or shouldn't be?
I mean, generally they help to keep us rolling, but any additional questions or services or work performed incurs additional
Gotcha.
charges, and of course we're a nonprofit here trying to be nimble and lean as much as we can.
Absolutely.
And I mean, additionally, in terms of, data backup, I could see some improvements there and just securing that data and all that. So yeah.
Gotcha. And so besides Microsoft applications, you obviously have other business applications that you help run with, right?
Yeah, certainly.
Okay. And are there any technology concerns that we should be aware of prior to the call?
Nothing really stands out particularly, but.
All right. So I sent it to operations@.org. Do you have access to that email to just confirm for me? Or obviously you can confirm at your leisure. I know you have a meeting.
Yeah, it looks like
Looks like it went through.
it went through. So
All right, so that's PT 10:15 a.m. the 20th. It looks like I have everything here. I just want to remind you that we have been in business for 36 years. We've provided service to a company like yours, and we're here to help you achieve those long-term tech goals. You're going to be speaking with JD on the 20th at 10:15. I have that all set up here. But yeah, it was a pleasure speaking with you, and JD looks forward to talking with you.
all right. Well, thanks for your time.
All righty, have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye.